It seems that in all ages, snakes have been considered the most dangerous predators among animals. To hell with dinosaurs, look at the terrifying Titanoboa. And yet, because that's how nature works, every predator, even the cruelest, has an enemy. And the snake's enemy is a small mammal that doesn't look like much, the mongoose. The mongoose is a very greedy animal. It has been the source of several disappearances of animal species. Moreover, it is to it that we attribute the disappearance of the Ameve lizard of Guadeloupe and the partial disappearance of the burrowing owl. And its introduction in Hawaii in 1883 had a huge negative impact on the proliferation of native species, mainly birds and reptiles. As you may have guessed, the mongoose has a very rich and varied diet. This small mammal loves worms, sobugs, millipedes, spiders, snails, crustaceans, fish, some species of birds. But what she likes most of all are snakes, especially the cobra or the black mamba, which are much bigger than her and could make only one bite out of the little animal. When the mongoose gets the idea to put a snake on her plate, she is not afraid to confront it. She's got a lot of nerve. She first starts looking for it in the environment in which she lives. And when she finds it, she doesn't let it out of her sight. Then, an impressive and epic fight starts. Contrary to what you might think, the mongoose far exceeds its opponent in terms of physical capabilities. Even if it's few centimeters in length and its short legs suggest that it would not intimidate a fly, the mongoose could surprise you a lot. Its strength is based on three main qualities: its speed, its precision, and its agility. Some species of mongoose, especially the Indian mongoose, are able to kill snakes in less time than it takes for them to realize the danger. And strange as it may seem, they have no particular attraction for their flesh. It seems that the satisfaction lies in the fight itself. During the duel, when the snake backs away and prepares to attack, the mongoose surprises him by jumping on him very quickly and attacking him in the head with its sharp teeth jaws. This technique paralyzes him completely. And even if by misfortune, it is bitten by the snake, the mongoose is not afraid of nothing or almost nothing. Indeed, the mongoose is very resistant and is able to survive a venomous dose that could be fatal to other animals. One of its secrets lies in its coat, a thick cloak that protects it from snakes with short fangs. One of the main components of the venom is a toxin similar to the form of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which when released in the vein of a victim, will paralyze them instantly. If a person is bitten by a snake, the venom attaches to the receptor sites of their nerve cells and blocks the normal action of acetylcholine, resulting in numbness or paralysis. Unlike mongooses, which have a different molecular shape than their receptor site, once bitten, the acetylcholine still adheres properly, but not the venom. But beware, being bitten by a snake is not without risks for the mongoose either. In such a case, it can also feel a very strong pain. Following this, it will enter a phase of half-sleep or lethargy and will reduce its activity so that the effects of the venom dissipate quickly, otherwise, it could also die. And if in the best case, the mongoose ends up winning the fight against the snake, this one tastes it and enjoys it with a lot of appetite, so she leaves this duel well satisfied and with an oversized ego. What more could you ask for? And it's not only the snake that the mongoose terrorizes. Let us now tell you other terrifying stories in which mongooses rule over much more impressive animals. In Kenya, in the Masai Mara National Reserve, this little mongoose takes advantage of all the wonderful things nature has to offer: greenery, vast lands, sunshine. But living in arid and hot environments leads these small animals to seek refuge in a calm and cool place. So, like all his fellow creatures, after having spent the day running in the savannah, the little animal was out of breath and sought shelter. The mongoose started to dig just after having chosen a plot of land which, at first sight, seemed quite quiet. But his quick and lively movements did not escape the sharp eyes of the kings of the savannah, or to be more precise, the queens of the savannah, who were hungry and went after the little mammal. And as the mongoose is a solitary animal, there were no members of his tribe that day to come to his aid. So, without thinking, her survival instinct caused her to unleash an impressive battle mode. Alone against the three lions surrounding her, the little mongoose instinctively began to make shrill cries, threatening the felines by jumping towards them and chasing them, all the while revealing her tiny, razor-sharp teeth. Strange as it may seem, instead of running away, the little mongoose was bold and preferred to face its predators, even if it meant being eaten. Even the blows that the lionesses gave her at times did not destabilize her. She continued to fight as long as she could. And if the lionesses were quite reluctant in front of the brave little mongoose, It is because they knew pertinently that this one, in spite of its very small size, was in the same way as them, a small carnivorous being, with the pointed teeth whose bite could make very hurt. Their provocations were thus accompanied by much hesitation. In the end, the mongoose had a tough time surrounded by these 3 huge cats, but she managed to make them run away. She came out of this fight stronger and more confident than ever. Facing the queens of the savannah is nothing. In the Nagarhole Karnataka National Park in India, a monitor lizard just out of the water was looking for a quiet and empty place to fall asleep. He was looking for the foot of a tree to blend in perfectly with the foliage on the ground, and to be able to finally sleep in peace. But no luck for our friend, who chose the wrong tree, that day, where a young hungry mongoose was waiting for him. As soon as he was caught by the mongoose, the vulnerable reptile let himself go to the rhythm of his predator's brusque gestures. He knew that he had no chance to get away from this mammal whose strength and agility are exceptional and whose sharp teeth are capable of tearing him apart in no time. The big lizard let himself be dragged to the ground by the mongoose, but when he realized that his life was really in danger, he tried in his turn, several times, to get the upper hand by whipping his predator with his tail, but in vain. The mongoose had caught him by the face, which prevented him from making any move. Especially since the varan, naturally slow and passive, could not do anything against the speed and vivacity of this hungry mongoose. After having seriously injured him, the mongoose decided without explanation to give the lizard a second chance. She turned on her heels and abandoned the poor wounded animal after a long and tiring 15-minute fight. The exhausted reptile still miraculously escaped with some bleeding on its face. Let's hope at least that this will be a lesson to him. The next time he decides to land somewhere, he will be much more careful around him. In the Kruger National Park in South Africa lives this little rattle. An animal barely bigger than a cat, he is known for his boldness and cheeky character. He takes on lions with ease, stands up to large buffalo, and mistakes snakes and poisonous reptiles for digestive pills. Like his kind, this rattle is not afraid of anything, he is a real terror. But the day he wanted to attack mongooses, it was a completely different story. In this sequence, the rattle seemed to be bored and wanted to burst into a clan of mongooses, just to tease them and pass the time. But as soon as he set foot in their territory, the rattle was violently rejected. Worse than that, he was attacked by the whole pack which, feeling the danger threatening it, wildly launched into a relentless pursuit. The mustelid immediately fled, as soon as he saw the dozens of mongooses running after him, screaming. And every time he thought that they had let go, they launched themselves again in pursuit. The rattle, whose character is normally aggressive and ferocious, immediately lost all his means in front of this band of enraged mongooses. He finally decided to hide and disappear from their sight. It's only in this way that the mongooses could move on. This little mishap cost him a good scare. But now that he is well hidden, the rattle will have plenty of time to think about it all. What has just happened will certainly make him realize that, finally, one should not always take himself for the strongest, even when facing smaller than himself. The mongoose is a small carnivorous being who is not afraid of anything. Felines, snakes, birds of prey, nothing intimidates it. So a stork, for her, is a piece of cake. In this video, a group of mongooses was digging in the ground in search of something to put under the tooth. But their lively movements caught the eye of a stork, which from a distance, rushed at them. Storks are certainly wading birds, but that doesn't make them any less harmless. Like some raptors, they have a carnivorous diet and consume a wide range of animals, including insects, mollusks, fish, reptiles, and even small mammals, which explains her attraction to the mongooses she spotted that day. But against all expectations, instead of running away from the predator that tried to catch them with its fine beak, the mongooses remained unperturbed. The most fearful of the mongooses hastened to hide in inaccessible places, while the most reckless of them decided to face their dangerous enemy in cold blood. Even if it was necessary to fight fear, the terrorized mongooses did not let themselves go and decided to unite their forces to face the dreaded waiter. And their union was successful because a few minutes later, the stork finally abandoned the mongooses and chose to withdraw. A beautiful lesson of life for these small mammals. In this savanna, a group of baboons were enjoying the warm late-day sunshine to bask, rest, and especially to do their traditional social grooming session. Primates perform this activity as a group to remove parasites, dirt, dead skin, and small bugs that hide in their fur to keep themselves healthy. And since an individual is unable to clean himself alone for reasons of accessibility, He solicits the help of another member of his family and it becomes a ritual that all members of a clan perform together. That day, the group of baboons was surprised by some guests, who suddenly appeared and started to harass them. Very annoyed by the arrival of these intruders, the monkeys remained impassive at first, then observed them for some time while wondering what brought them there. When the baboons realized that the mammals were getting closer and closer to their young and that they were especially becoming threatening, they decided to give way to them and leave, which immediately put an end to their little grooming session. If there's one thing these monkeys learned that day, it's that even if the lion is the king of the savannah, the mongoose makes his own rules. The next time the mongoose breaks into their territory, they'll know the party's over. So what do you think about mongooses? Did you know that this animal had such a special character and that it scared so many animals? Tell us what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive all the notifications and not miss any of our upcoming content.